girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. We have Chris Janson here. I believe that's the first time on Garden Guitar, and he really deserves a spot here, absolutely, with a song called Cheap, a great song. Fits guitar very well, so let's go into this one. We're having no need for any capo here. We're going clean. Why? Because we are working with bar chords only. So let's go into the 4 chords needed. We're going to start with F. Okay, so you're going to place your index finger on the 1st fret where you push down all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. That's the F. We have the D minor 7 next. Okay, so you're going to jump up to the 5th position here with the index finger, push down 5 strings from bottom up like this. And then you need to add 7th on D and 6 on B. That's the D minor 7. We have then the A sharp. We're going to go with the sus version, which is also used in the song. So you're going to jump right back here to the 1st fret again with the index finger. This time you don't have to bar down or push down the the 6th string here, the E string and the bass, but the 5 strings below you have to. And then you need to add 3rd on D and 3rd on G. You take the very same grip and move it 2 frets towards you, and like this, and you land on the C chord here with the sus version. So exact same grip as the A sharp, 2 frets closer to your body, like this, and you have the C sus. Okay, so that is to push down 5 strings on the 3rd fret, and then you need to add 5th on D and 5th on G. Okay, so there you have the chords and also the chord progressions. So it's going to go like this: F to D minor 7 to A sharp to C. Okay, so we're going to look at 2 ways of playing this. First the melody, and then also a strumming pattern. So we're going to start with F and go chord by chord. So the melody now goes like this for 2 rounds. So you're going to play 1st fret E string, then 3rd D, then 1st E, the high E, then 1st B, then 3rd D, and 1st B. So, for 2 rounds. Then we have the D minor 7, so you're gonna jump up here to this position, and you're gonna play for 2 rounds. So that will be 5th on A, 7th on D, 5th on G, 6th on B, then 5th on G, 7th on D, and 5th on G. So for 2 rounds. Okay, then we jump back to the A sharp down here, and you're gonna play that part. That will be 1st fret on A, 3rd on G, 1st on high E, 1st on B, 3rd on G, and 1st on B for 2 rounds. Then you take the C part here, exact same grip, and you're gonna play this for 2 rounds. So that will be 3rd fret A, then 5th D, then 3rd high E, then 5th G, 5th D, and back to 5th G for 2 rounds. And there you have the melody. Alright, so it goes like that from beginning till the very end, or if you want to switch it up, you can go with the strumming pattern. So let's take a look at that, starting with F. So if you grab that chord, 1 string round will be like this. And that will translate into 1 picking round. So you're going to play 2 string rounds per chord. So how you can do it? You're going to play down, down, up, down, up. So 1 down, then comes the down, up, and then up, down, up. Okay, so 2 rounds like that per chord. It goes like this. so there you have it. Chris Janson's Cheap. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.